Hello everyone, this is Hitesh and today in this video I am going to tell you about consumer protection. What is consumer protection? Basically, the act of providing shield to consumer from the unethical exploitation or unlawful practices from manufacturers or sellers is a consumer protection. Now this exploitation of consumers can be categorized into three categories. First is mental or physical exploitation, second is economical exploitation, and third is against public interest. Now, physical and mental exploitation. When a consumer is fooled or forced to purchase a substandard or a duplicate product, so it harms to mental agony of customer and it is a physical loss to him. Second one is economical exploitation. Now, when a seller or a manufacturer force a person or it is doing unlawful practices such as hoarding of a product, black marketing, or demanding high price instead of printed price, then it can be an economical exploitation. Third one is against public interest. Now, when a product is manufactured in such a way that it is harmful to environment as well as nature. For example, we can see some products such as acid, which is harmful to nature and humans also. Now we will talk about the importance of consumer protection. From the viewpoint of business, there can be many reasons, but I will share four. First, they are using public resources. Second, social responsibility. Third, part of the society. Fourth, consumer protection is good for business. Now, they are using public resources such as wood, water, etc. They are manufacturing their goods by using their machinery, which are made up of metals, which is also a type of good which is assembled or made by other manufacturers. Second one is social responsibility. Now, when they make profit, so it is the responsibility of a company or a manufacturer that they should help their consumer in natural calamities or in any bad situation. Third one is part of society. Now, every manufacturer needs raw material to manufacture goods and they purchase the raw material. So we can say that a manufacturer is also a consumer itself. Fourth one is consumer protection is good for business. Why we say? Because when a company is serious about their consumers against their product, so what happened that a consumer have a respect for the manufacturer or a brand itself. It have a trust on this product. So this was about the viewpoint of business. From the viewpoint of consumer, there can many reasons, but I will share two main reasons. First one is ignorance of consumer and second one lack of unity among consumer. Now the consumer itself is responsible for his exploitation because if they don't know the information, about the product, they don't check the expiration of a product or which ingredients are used for making this product. So they are responsible for it. Consumer Protection Act 1986 is an act by Indian government which was enhanced in 1986 to protect the interest of consumers in India. Under this act, a three-level complaint redressal has been developed. The three level includes complaint redressal at district level, state level and at national level. This act has given several rights and responsibilities to the consumers such as safety, information, choice, redressal, representation and consumer education. Some additional consumer rights has been given by United Nations Organization Directive, which is hygiene environment and basic needs. Responsibilities of a consumer includes conscious use of consumer rights. Be aware of misleading advertisements. Care during purchase. Solicit for a bill. Solicit for a high quality. In this video, we have discussed about consumer protection, responsibilities and rights. I hope this video was informational and thanks for watching. Until, keep learning and keep growing.